Welcome to this video that introduces you to search engine marketing. After watching this video, you will be able to define search engine marketing and explain how it works. You will also be able to discuss its importance in digital advertising and distinguish it from search engine optimization. Search engine marketing, or SEM, is one of the most efficient digital advertising strategies. In this strategy, businesses pay to display their ads on search engine results pages, or SERPs. SEM primarily refers to paid search ads that appear either above or below organic search results and are marked as sponsored or ad. SEM aims to increase visibility, drive traffic, and generate conversions by ensuring that businesses appear as search results when users enter relevant queries. SEM differs from search engine optimization, or SEO, which focuses on improving organic rankings over time, while SEM provides instant visibility through paid placements. SEM operates on a pay-per-click, or PPC model, wherein advertisers pay only when a user clicks on their ad. Let's break down how SEM works. Advertisers identify keywords related to their products and services. When users search for those words, ads are shown to the user. For example, a company selling running shoes might target keywords such as best running shoes. So, when users type these keywords or queries containing them, they will see an ad sponsored by the company that makes this product. SEM uses an auction system where advertisers bid on the keywords their ads want to show. Higher bids increase the probability of an ad appearing at a higher position on the page. Data shows that the ad at the top generates the highest number of clicks. Search engines rank ads based on bid amount, ad relevance, and expected click-through rate, or CTR. Google assigns a quality score, which impacts how often an ad is displayed and its position on the SERP. Imagine a business with a well-structured ad and relevant keywords that can outrank a competitor with a higher bid but lower quality. Once the auction is complete, the winning ads appear at the top or bottom of the search results page. Ads marked as sponsored or ad help users distinguish paid results from organic listings. Both steps occur in real time, instantaneously. When users select an ad, they are directed to a landing page or website that has been optimized for conversions. SEM advertising platforms track users based on what they do on the landing page, such as filling out a form or purchasing something. Businesses track performance using metrics such as CTR and clicks to evaluate success. SEM plays a crucial role in digital advertising for several reasons. SEM allows businesses to appear immediately at the top of search results by paying money for keywords of their choice. This feature is handy for new businesses that need quick traffic and conversions. Users who search for specific keywords are often ready to take action, whether by purchasing or requesting information. SEM helps businesses connect with such high-intent users at the right moment. SEM enables advertisers to target users based on several factors. It shows ads to users in specific regions, cities, or within a city using radius targeting. SEM can optimize campaigns for mobile or desktop users. SEM can schedule ads to run at peak conversion times. It can also adjust bidding based on age, gender, and interests to ensure advertisers do not waste their money targeting the wrong audience. For example, a restaurant located in downtown New York would be interested in advertising only within a radius of, say, 5 miles to the working population. Every aspect of an SEM campaign can be tracked and optimized. Key metrics include CTR conversion rate, cost per acquisition, or CPA, and return on ad spend, or ROAS. Businesses can test different ad creatives, keywords, and bidding strategies to improve performance. Businesses that invest in SEM outrank competitors in search results, even with a lower organic ranking. A well-optimized SEM strategy ensures consistent traffic and visibility, helping businesses stay ahead of competitors. While SEM and SEO try to improve search visibility, they function differently. With SEM, you pay for each click. SEO is free, but building a presence takes time and effort. If you need quick results, SEM is the way to go. Your ads can show up instantly. With SEO, it takes time for your site to rank higher in search results. Regarding placement, SEM ads appear right on top of search results, giving prime visibility. SEO rankings come below paid ads, taking longer to catch a user's eye. With SEM, you can adjust bids, target specific users, and influence where your ad appears. SEO relies on Google's algorithm, so you have less direct control. SEM is great for short-term goals, such as running a sale or driving quick traffic. SEO is a long-term strategy for increasing visibility over time. To summarize, SEM is fast but costs money. SEO takes longer, but it's free and builds lasting credibility. The best choice depends on your goals. In this video, you learned that SEM is a form of digital advertising where businesses pay to display their ads on SERPs. SEM aims to increase visibility, drive traffic, and generate conversions. SEM involves several key steps, such as keyword targeting, keywords bidding, ad auction and quality score, ad placement and visibility and user clicks and conversion. SEM is essential in digital advertising as it offers crucial advantages, including instant visibility and faster results, high-intent traffic, ability to target precise locations, measurable performance, and ROI tracking and competitive advantage. The key differences between SEM and SEO are cost, speed of results, placement, control over positioning, duration, and type of impact.